Your yard looks like a jungle, and that old trimmer you've got sitting in the garage either won't start or snaps line every 30 seconds. Trust me, I've been there, and with so many options claiming to be the strongest, lightest, or most powerful, dropping $200 on the wrong one means you'll be fighting weeds all summer instead of enjoying your weekends. We spent the last 3 months abusing these trimmers in every condition imaginable: tall grass, thick weeds, wet mornings, and rocky edges, to find out which ones actually survive real-world punishment and which ones die the first time you look at them wrong. Today, I'm revealing the 5 best string trimmers of 2026, and what number 4 can do to a 5-foot bush will honestly shock you, so let's cut through the noise. Starting at number 1. Husqvarna 110IL FLXi String Trimmer in Edger. Best overall. The Husqvarna 110IL is our best overall string trimmer, not because it's the most powerful, but because it offers the most complete experience for the greatest number of users. Our previous best overall, the 110IL's big brother, the Husqvarna 330IKL, is still featured in this roundup, but I found the 110IL to be a better overall option for most homeowners. The 110IL doesn't have the raw power of some other heavy-duty models, but it has more than enough power to handle trimming grass and light brush of a typical suburban yard, even one that's overgrown. Instead, the 110IL excels at being good at everything. It's not too heavy, has a good battery life, is well balanced, isn't too loud, and it's on the market at a very competitive price. The Husqvarna 110IL also provides extreme versatility. It comes with a dual trimmer/edger head, unlike the 330IKL, which is a trimmer head only, providing homeowners with 2 tools in one. In addition, the FLXi line allows you to swap out heads, giving access to leaf blower, pole saw, hedge trimmer, and more, all with the same core motor. I like that the Husqvarna lines use a dedicated power button, making it a little extra safe and resistant to accidentally triggering during transport. Number 2. DeWalt 60V 17-inch cordless string trimmer. Best for contractors. We attached a string trimmer accessory to DeWalt's massive 60-volt power head and waded into a drainage basin to face off with some tall stuff, slicing down weeds, grass, and light to medium briars as we went. If it wasn't such hard work, it would almost have been fun. The DeWalt more than proved its capability in that jungle. Then we slipped into its low RPM setting, tipped it vertically, and cut a nice, neat channel at the edge of a sidewalk and along a curb. This is a substantial machine, but its balance is good, and we didn't find it tiring to use. Nor did we find problems with the string trimmer head that were referenced online. What we did find is a rock-solid trimmer capable of taking a pounding while delivering a clean cut. Number 3. Ego Power Plus 16-inch Line IQ String Trimmer. Most user-friendly. Ego pulled out the stops in engineering this string trimmer. Start with the fact that you never have to bump feed the head, instead it feeds out string automatically. When you run out of line, simply feed a pre-cut length through the head and press the rewind button at the end of the shaft. The string zooms into the head in seconds. Our test found the 56-volt brushless motor delivers power to spare. A 2-speed selector switch enables you to choose between going full out at vegetation or dialing back the speed for around delicate shrubs. A telescoping shaft lets you adjust the length to suit your tastes, while a lightweight carbon fiber shaft makes it easier to handle. Number 4. Husqvarna 330IKL Combi Switch Plus String Trimmer. Most powerful battery. Husqvarna is highly regarded for its chainsaws among those who make a living chopping down trees, so it should come as little surprise that its string trimmers are pretty darn good, too. When it comes to power and performance, this 36-volt battery-powered 330IKL doesn't disappoint. The 330IKL is the big brother to our best overall pick, the 110IL, and a great fit for tackling thick, dense undergrowth or on large properties. It uses a thicker cutting line, 0.095-inch compared to the 110IL's 0.065-inch diameter line, and has a wider cutting swath, 18 inches, 6 inches wider than the 110IL. It doesn't have an edging conversion, though the entire head can be swapped out for an edging attachment. During testing, the 330IKL devoured dense brush, clearing tall weeds off the shoulder of a local bike path and thrashing through vegetation with ease. After all that, there was no decline in power, or any snafus with line feed. In short, it's an excellent choice if you want a powerful, battery-driven trimmer. Number 5. Craftsman 20V Brushless RP String Trimmer. Best light-duty single string. In the realm of outdoor power tools, the 20-volt Craftsman occupies a lightweight, light-duty niche. It's an absolute pleasure to use. No, this isn't a weed-slashing brute, but it trims neatly and effectively. Its brushless motor and 5.0Ah battery won't give up on you before you've finished the job. Plus, it's one of the easier trimmers to handle and is easy on the ears. It weighs a mere 6.8 pounds and is nearly whisper quiet on its low setting. One caveat here, it works vertically edging, but only if you have a light hand. Its single .080 line won't take a whole lot of dirt impact. Go easy and you'll be fine. Now you know exactly which trimmer deserves a spot in your garage and which ones you should walk past without a second look. All the links to these machines are waiting for you in the description below with the best prices updated for 2026, so go grab the one that fits your yard before they sell out again. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, share it with your neighbor who still uses that broken gas trimmer from 2015, and subscribe because we're dropping the ultimate battery showdown next week. Speaking of which, if you want to see which battery platform dominates the entire yard, trimmers, blowers, and chainsaws, click the video right here because you won't believe which brand crushed the competition.